How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for messages and story replies under the How Others Can Interact with You tab. So, tap on the messages and story replies option you see there and then tap on the Show Activity Status option. Here, make sure the toggle button for Show Activity Status is toggled off in order to turn off active status on Instagram. So, this is how you can turn off active status on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.